I wanted to show you how we're planning to wash our face masks because we did not bring 10 face masks and they get kind of grubby, or at least like too moist during the day, so we thought we need to clean them. A while back, I actually wrote a blog post about how to wash your face mask. I did a lot of research. You can read that. It's in the bio. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. So I'm washing 2 face masks, and I'm using a tiny little bit of bleach that I just put in this dropper, and some Castile soap. I'm actually going to use the ice bucket, and I've put some warm water, but it's not super hot. I mean, as hot as I could get it off the tap. It doesn't have to be so incredibly hot. I'm going to put a couple of drops of bleach. And for those of you who are kind of grossed out by the fact like, oh, you're using an ice bucket, why didn't you just do it in the sink? I don't know if that's a lot. I think that's pretty good. That's what Furman said. So I don't know, maybe it'll be gross. For some people, but anyway, I think the bleach will disinfect it. And then this is just soap. This is dish soap and laundry soap and all kinds of soap. So really, I'm gonna wash this also after I'm done for future care. I think that's pretty good. It's not that much water. And ooh, it's actually quite warm. And then I'm just gonna sink these guys in, and I'm gonna just let them sit.
15 minutes later.
So I've let these sit like maybe 10 minutes. I'm just gonna give it like a good rub. So it's not that they're terribly dirty, I just want to disinfect them and get a little bit of the grime out, grime of the city. And now I'm going to go rinse them in the sink with just clean water. So I've rinsed these guys, and I'm gonna give it one last wring. And I'll show you how we dry these. This is kind of the way that we found works best for us. Just lay it on a towel and wrap it on the towel like this, and then just wring it. And this just transfers a lot of the water to the towel itself. All right, and now it's still, of course, wet, but not dripping. We're just gonna leave this somewhere to dry, and hopefully it'll be dry by the morning. Okay, and if you're worried about the bucket, I'm going to wash this with the same soap and leave it clean for the next guest. Washing in the sink was also an option, but our sink wasn't retaining the water, and so that's why we opted for this.